Every single one to make sure I get it right, because that's what it's used for. Hey guys, what's up? We're Ethan and Crystal, and we just started Erina Coffee. It's a coffee pop-up that we host in our home.
Yep.
And the whole point is just to invite our friends and our family and people that we love, and we just want to serve them.
Yeah, when we started talking about it, we had bigger dreams for it, but we thought, why not just start now, and why not just start in our home? We have a growing family. I'm 8 months pregnant. We're like, let's not do anything crazy, but we have a heart for gathering people. And I think everybody's looking for community and a place to belong, a place to come. Everyone loves good coffee.
Yeah.
So good coffee was your passion, people or mine. People are also yours. And so we just love to serve people. So we want to serve anyone from anywhere. The phrase that we use about Erina is the door is always open. We want it to be open to anyone. And gather friends. It's been so cool to see our friends from our hometown, other churches in the area, our church, just people we've met along the way here locally, and then some people have been driving in, so just gathering people.
We just love it and building this community, and we're just excited to see what comes from it. Our next pop-up will be in February, so follow us on Instagram, and we'll let you know.
You heard it here.
Yo, we're leaving the Erina first official kind of like pop-up. It was sick. Shout out to Crystal and Ethan. I love that they're kind of like just taking the step and chasing kind of one of the dreams that they have. And what'd you think?
The coffee was so good. They made like a homemade vanilla syrup, and it was delicious.
Yes, it was really, really good. So we'll put their Instagram. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Stay up to date with them, because I think their next one is going down. They said in February. Obviously 2024 coming up. So make sure you just go ahead, give them a follow, and I think you will really, really love it. I can't take it, bro. I can't take it. Our first special guest. Probably not first. I feel like when we went on our work trip, he was definitely on with us. But we're at this place called Besame. It's a bunch of like food trucks. It's really, really cool. The vibe is really cool. It's a beautiful day too.
Yeah, perfect weather, good food.
There you go. You're a natural. He's a natural. He was nervous. He was like, I don't want to be on the camera. So we'll keep it to a minimum. But check this out. Vanessa just pulled up with something. I'll give you a better detailed look right now. How is it?
Bomb.
vlogging.
No. I like that. Don't be nervous. How full are you right now?
Bro, I'm stuffed. Stuffed to the max.
What about you?
I'm so full. It's bad.
Are you full?
So shout out to Raymond from Tejas Birria. He saw us like filming content and he was just like, man, you got something from everybody else, but I want you to try our stuff. So he gave us a agua fresca that was so good, delicious. And it had like Vanessa's favorite little like, you know she likes that like tamarin, chamoy stuff. It's so gross. You know I don't really mess with that. But he brought us a plate of their birria tacos. And he's like, bro, I want you to try them. So we're about to dig in and we'll let you know how it tastes.
It's so good.
Grab this bottom one. Is that cool?
Yeah.
It's hot, so don't take a super big bite.
Ooh. It's burning my fingers.
For real?
Yeah, it's all right.
Might be hot.
Where Virgo?
Mason is a gringo, so we don't even know if he even knows what birria is supposed to taste like. This is definitely his first time having birria. So, what do you think?
Very good, for real. Super good. I'd go back.